So it's the time. You can begin.
Yeah? Yes,
Okay. Yes.
Hello, my name is Meritxell and she is Lucía.
We made this poster about the technological process to the lights of the car. On the first picture, we identify a problem and we need an object to lighten the cars on the night, but to avoid accidents.
Okay.
The second task is planning and design. We do the drawing.
On the first picture, you can see the building headlights that incorporate on there and front of the car to illuminate.
And then we check and then the light off.
And the last part is memory, and we think that the lights soft. And this is the poster. Thank you for watching and listening. Do you have any question?
No. Thank you. Good job.